Would you like to know how to grow your business in the most simple and effective way possible? Then you're going to want to make sure that you stay tuned to today's video. This is Self-Publishing with Dale, where you learn how to publish books that sell and build an unstoppable author brand. And today is a pretty unique occasion. Actually, we usually just have Kelly over here in this seat.
I'm in Kelly's seat. I can't believe it.
So this is Helen Kenson of Merch Money, and Merch Money is a channel. Tell us a little bit about Merch Money.
Well, hi everyone. I feel honored to be on Dale's channel. This is the big time. I've hit the big time here. Merch Money is a channel for people that are in print on demand. So if you, any kind of print on demand, Merch by Amazon being one of the biggest ones, but it could be Redbubble, Etsy, all different print on demand platforms. We have different guests on every week and we talk all things print on demand.
It's awesome. So we're going to kind of take a little bit of a left turn though from talking about merch and probably being, we're going to speak in a global sense. So we're going to probably identify some pain points of your audience as well as my audience here. And that is growing your presence and growing your brand and growing your reach. So we just had an event.
Yes, so fun.
Tell me, why are events so big? Why is networking so important to business?
And speaking of networking, so this is the second event we've done together. So Dale, Kelly, and I had an event last year, and it was so much fun that we did it again this year. And I think one of the things about setting up events is to network with other people and other people that have audiences. And even though Dale does more with self-publishing and Kelly does more with KDP, and I do merch, there's still a lot of people that do a little bit of each one of those things. And we were still able to work together and get ideas from each other and each other's audiences. And it makes for a really fun meetup.
So when we get to the meetup, I want to kind of be full disclosure. I'm a bit of an introvert. You couldn't tell that, right?
You couldn't. You really couldn't.
Oh yeah, I'm an introvert. But so how can you address some of the issues that I have in going out into groups like this? Because I'll tell you, sometimes I'm like, nope, not going.
Well, I think that you just have to push past that and know that a lot of people are feeling like that. A lot of people, when they work at home, they're not used to talking to people all day long and interacting with people all day long. So you feel like a little nervous to go meet new people. But don't be nervous. I mean, everybody there just immediately you can't help but have fun because everybody's talking about what you enjoy.
Yeah, it can be very, very tough. Now, why is it that it grows the business for us to network with other business professionals?
Oh my gosh, so many reasons. I mean, one thing is just nobody can do everything themselves. Like everybody has their strengths, their weaknesses, and being able to talk to other people, it really helps highlight people that can help you in your business, or at least you can learn from them or come up with ideas. The one from last year that we did, almost everyone at that meetup I've talked to again throughout the year, and we've either had them on our show or we've gotten ideas from them and been able to work with them. So it's just amazing. And a lot of those people came again this year because they had so much fun last time that they wanted to meet these people again. They wanted to collaborate again.
Yeah, it was a ton of fun. Okay, so there's two ends of things here that I want to ask. Is one, how can a person find these type of events? How can they find them? Nextly, if they don't find them, how do they put them together? Is it real difficult?
It's not real difficult. And if you are someone that's a little nervous to set one up, see if you can find someone who's not as introverted. Maybe they're a little bit more extroverted and maybe they don't have as big of audience. So you could just find somebody within your audience and be like, can you help me put them on a meetup? They can do a lot of the talking and getting it together, and but your audience can help come to the meetup. So it's nice to partner up with somebody. So like Kelly and Dale and I did, like between all of us, we're able to do it and have a lot of people come. And it's really not as hard as you think. You can just talk to a restaurant, book a few tables or a room. We had a room in a restaurant, and that's it. And once people come, sit down, eat some food, and then everybody just starts talking and having a great time. For anybody that wants to follow us on YouTube, we actually had Dale on our show on Merch Money. So to watch that video, just click below.
So that's, like I said, it's a double-edged sword. It was a complaint and a compliment. There was so much great stuff, but unfortunately we just didn't have enough time. So by the time everything was done on each of the days,